Yes. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to talk about scalping. Okay, so first we're going to talk about what is scalping, what time frame to use when it comes to scalping. We're going to talk about myths about scalping, how to look for scalps, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to look at live examples. Yes, live examples, because for some reason you always have either one or two haters, or maybe you are just lazy to look at my channel. And if you look, you will see so many examples of me trading live. All right, I actually traded live in front of YouTube, but it's all good. Shout out to all my haters. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys live examples of me getting in the market, trading live, and everything. Okay, so let's go to the first thing. What is scalping? Scalping is a trading style that specializes in profiting off of small price changes. Scalping requires a trader to have a strict exit strategy and a very tight risk to capture a quick move in the direction of the trade. So when we are scalping the market, we're not looking for like huge moves. Okay, we're looking to take advantage of quick moves in market, that quick momentum, and we're looking to get out. So usually when I'm scalping, I'm looking for a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1. Okay, so what that means is if I'm risking $10, I'm looking to make $10, or if I'm risking $10, I'm looking to make $20. Now I'm here to tell you I don't only scalp, because I see a lot of again, haters will say, oh my gosh, you're only looking for a 1-to-1 and you're only looking for a 2-to-1. No, for the most part I'm looking for maybe a 2-to-1. Okay, but there are some days where I'm looking for 3-to-1, 4-to-1, even 5 or 6-to-1, or even more. So there are certain days where I will let my winners ride more, but for the most part, I'm in and out. I'm looking for at least a 2-to-1. But some trades are a quick 1-to-1. It's just what it is. Now, what time frame should you use when it comes to scalping? Well, I like to use the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart, but mainly the 5-minute chart. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart all the time. But sometimes I will go down to the 1-minute chart if I like what I see. Maybe they trapping buyers or sellers, and I might go to the 1-minute chart to see if I can get a better entry. But I would say 98% of the times I'm taking trades off the 5-minute chart. Okay, so if you're new, it's best to stay on the 5-minute chart, because the 1-minute chart can give you probably too many false signals, or it's just too quick for you guys. All right, so if you're new, just stick to the 5-minute. Now let's talk about the myths when it comes to scalping. I'm only going to talk about one myth, and that is most people, when they hear about scalping, they automatically think that you have to trade a lot, and that's not true. Most people think when they hear the word scalping, you're taking 10, 20 trades a day. And no, you don't have to do that. If you look at my trading, sometimes I'm taking one trade or even two trades and I'm done for the day. Okay, when I show you guys the live examples soon, you're gonna see me just taking one trade and I'm done for the day. So no, scalping is not about going in and out, looking for multiple trades, looking for 10 to 20 trades. It's all about looking for a nice, high quality trade, and boom, take advantage of that quick momentum, and you're out, and you're done for the day. Now, how do you look for your scalps? Well, what I like to do, it doesn't matter if you're scalping or day trading or even swing trading. The best thing to do is look for key levels. So your key levels could be support and resistance, supply and demand, trend lines, moving average, whatever you want to use. Okay, now if someone tells you that trend lines don't work, or support and resistance doesn't work, or anything doesn't work, don't listen to that person. Just test it out for yourself. If it works for you, keep using it. All right, so let's go to the live examples right now. Okay, so right here is where the market opened, and when I'm looking at the market, I don't really have a bias unless the picture is really clear. So right here, I'm looking for longs, meaning I'm looking to buy the market, right? Because overall, you can tell that the market is in an uptrend. So I'm looking for price to come back to a key level like support and resistance, right? We have support right here. So I'm looking for the market to come to that level and show me any type of buying action, and I'm looking to buy. All right, so let me fast forward to show you guys what happened next. All right, so right here, I saw a nice bullish bar. We was bouncing off support. I got in, so I'm in the market, and I got in a little bit late because I was actually fixing some scrambled eggs for my 1-year-old. So, make sure that when you are trading, don't do multiple things at once. But I got in, so everything's looking good. The market's pushing up. So let me fast forward this, guys, so you can see what happened next. All right, so you see the market is pulling back, all right? And I added some more. Now, if you look to the left, you can see that I'm actually down $267. How's that? And I didn't get stopped out. Well, that's because when I added some more and the market pulled back, Basically, I actually took off some ads because I didn't really want the market to stop me out fully on those ads. So I just got out real quick, but you know, $260, whatever. Right now, if you see the market, it's pushing up, everything's looking good. And if you look at it, I'm trying to adjust my target profits, and I'm trying to just let it breathe a little bit because I'm trying to let it go to resistance. Now, I want you to look at my stop loss, and I want you to understand that my stop loss is not exactly below the candle. It's because usually when I have my stop loss far away, it's because I didn't adjust it yet. All right, so let's go and see what happened next. Okay, so you see the market's going up, it's pushing above that resistance on that purple line right there, and you're going to see me right now about to get out because again, was a quick scalp. I wasn't too sure what the market wanted to do that day, so I just got out for a quick scalp. Didn't really try to hold it. It did like a good trade to hold, but it wasn't too clear for me, so I just got out, scalped the market, and I was done. Okay, so if you look to the left, I'm up $4,875. Okay, so that was that quick move. And again, you know, a lot of people laughed at me when I was showing them those quick one-to-one moves. Oh, you only doing one-to-ones? Oh, you only doing one-to-twos? Listen, when you perfect your craft, you don't need to go for a crazy risk to reward. You only need to take high quality trades and then boom, go in the markets and, you know, attack. But again, I do look for trades that give me way more than a one-to-one or a two-to-one. Now, before we go to the next trade, let me show you guys that this is a real account. So let's go. So right here, you're going to see that I am going to send mode. Okay, send mode is demo mode. Okay, so if you look to the left, you see that it's a blue background. Okay, so that's when you know someone's trading sim. Now I'm gonna turn it back to my real account, and you're gonna see the gray background to the left, and that's how you know you're trading a real account. All right, so let's go to the next live example. All right, so this trade right here, okay, this is where the market opened. It's pushing up. Again, sometimes I do have a bias when the market opens, and sometimes I don't. Sometimes it's not clear. Right now, to me, it's very clear that it's looking bullish. It looks like the market wants to go up. So automatically, I'm just looking for longs, okay, until it tells me it doesn't want to go up, okay? But I'm here to tell you, don't marry your bias. If you see the market and it looks like it wants to go up, but now it starts to go down, then you can't marry your bias. You have to look for shorts to the downside. So let's go to see what happened next. Okay, so you see that the market is pushing up right here, and basically, I'm looking for an entry. I'm looking for a continuation trade. So I'm looking for the market to break out and continue to go up, okay? So if you look at it right here, I just entered the market, and I'm looking at the market and it's looking weak, right? So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna give it time. And then I started to see the market come back down, and you see right here, I just get out, okay, with a small loss. If you look at the left, I'm actually down around $43, okay, which is nothing because I want to make sure that the market is going to push up because at first it was just looking weak. So you see right here, I actually got back in, all right, and I'm looking at the market. I like how it's pushing up now, so I got back in and I'm adding some more. So right now I'm going to just show you guys what happened next. All right, so you see the market pushing up, it's looking good. So basically right now I'm trying to adjust my targets. I'm trying to let this trade breathe a little bit. I like it. Buyers are in the market. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to only get out if I see some type of weakness. So let's fast forward this and let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so right here I got out. I was supposed to record it, but I forgot that I had the recorder on pause. It is what it is. So I got out. Now I'm going to show you the reason why I got out, because if you look right here, basically the market was acting weak. I didn't really see any type of continuation, so I just got out, okay? Got out with my profit. So that trade was like a 2-to-1 trade. That was a nice breakout scalp, 2-to-1, boom, I'm done for the day. If you look to the left, I'm up 7,500, and that was just a quick scalp, right? It was a nice breakout trade. And people will tell you that breakouts don't work. And this is why I told you guys in the beginning, if someone tells you that something doesn't work, don't listen to that person. You test it out and you try for yourself. I don't take breakouts every single day. You have to know when to take breakouts. If you take breakouts every single time you see a breakout, of course you're gonna lose, right? Just because someone tells you that, oh, that doesn't work, you don't work. you don't put in the work to see when is best to take the breakouts. So that's all I have for you guys today. I wanted to show you guys some live scalping and also explain to you guys what is scalping, because a lot of people don't really understand scalping. Scalping is a great thing to do, especially if you just looking for those quick moves and you're done for the day. Sometimes I'm taking a trade, I'm done within 15 minutes or 20 minutes or even, half an hour. I'm done for the day and have the rest of the day for myself. I can do whatever. But I'm here to tell you that you have to put in the work in the beginning, and also you have to have the right education, okay? Don't think you can come in here and just master this in 1 week. It's not like that. But I'm here to tell you that once you keep going, it's worth it. And you see it right here. So shout out to all my subscribers that's here. I love you guys. Thanks a lot for viewing my videos. Thanks a lot for just tuning in. Now, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to learn strategies like these, check out my trading program. That trading program will take your trading to the next level. All the information is below in the description. If you have any questions, comment below, because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.